one with God. Say silently to yourself, I am one with God. Repeat this. Breathe this in and anchor it into your knowing. Embrace this truth. Begin your gentle rhythmic breathing now. Settle into your chairs and become very comfortable. Embracing the truth of your oneness, you become mindful that all thoughts of being separate are merely illusions. Expand your awareness of oneness and feel unity with all. Feel the one presence of love and light. Your love and your light are God's love and light. You are one. The love and light within you are bigger than any illusions of separateness. The love and light within you are bigger than all beliefs of not good enough. Your love and your light are bigger than any belief in lack. Your love and light are bigger than all beliefs of unlovable. Your love and your light are bigger than all anger, violence, hatred, fear, and even war. Allowing your love and light to be the filters through which you see this life experience and the world in which you live illuminates all illusions that won't stop you. Your love and light show you your truth as beautiful expressions of God. So as you go into stillness now, embrace your truth. Acknowledge your oneness with God. Allow your unity with all to shine. Allow your love and light to fill your entire being, and allow your love and light to radiate from you as you share the gift of you with the world. So move into stillness now. Embrace your truth. Embrace your love, your light, your oneness. love and light serve your highest good and the highest good of others. When you embrace your love and your light, you embrace truth. So stay in this meditative state just as long as you wish. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes and live your life from this beautiful place and be a beacon of love and light out into the world.